Sia wa Mutongo TV ninawekwacho kana kioko chaku ni cha kwa ilani na ukevya na naudho chacho manithiendini wa vilingi wa mauvo kiokoni masito makwanitwa beti wa mwania tuyambililia mauvo maitonika na komiti kifadhukanyo sia mbunge ya kaunti ya Masako kuyo mundhini sia toisia walanyo wako makulio kukonya budget mavisa ndini wa mevea kifadhukanyo ya kaunti ya Masako kuyanana na munini wa speaker mbungeni no Stephen Zoe mwandhini kana walanyo uunu tethe 7 kwa ilia maondo maudhukumi kwe mwenendhi na kwikithia milati ya vata kilamu vyani ni avadhi wa ilo vyasi ya kuyana Daniel Mwangela na mauvo.
Munini wa speaker Stephen Zoe mwandhini na vahamu wako ni mbunge ya kaunti ya Masako ni welesekana mosi ya itambi ni kenda kwikithia budget ni ya vituka na maendeleo kuvikia NND.
Yasio mundini tetha na eseso ya kuindarogate budget ila yukite ila ilitakuka anytime mayota teleta wathandatu kana na mwea ondo wasya kwa utambunge ya Masako nitatinda na departments ya executive ila kila department ikotetea budget ila yo na neasya committee mbinge wesu ya mina kenda tumabutu and public participation after public participation inde ni budget yoka kubetwa kwa utasya tendo semane nebinda nundu bebinda ila na isite semane to nebinda nikenda withie mwaka withela ta account tena budget ile kwithitho komando maito
wobinda ninu wathingela kana yukila keti alitine kwa samawoni ma NND na kutoa isi mawalini yangi mbungeni nikenda budget ivikie kusovwa na maundu ma maendeleo kwambia
umundi teka ita departmental interrogations cia budget ila teta makatibu na mawaziri kuma department ni cia executive tukoka kusisia moima bangite kuthuko mawea weba mwaka ula ukitwa 2025-2026 na unit wa sisia katika departments ketha department ya kiwu iketa katibu na waziri wo maelewe kiwu tenda thuko mothu tena thuko mio na yuma ko tenda kuthuko mo ketha ni agriculture na agriculture makanena na department makasa kini tekcho tukwenda kwega ketha be department ye kwiwa kana ku need kuongela ngwa mbesa kana mbesa sikiro bandu bataili sisiwe kana mbinge members mekwe ni mbinge ukethia no twike those changes nikenda twamina kwika those derogations units ila tukwika next year ne public participation tuthikwa mwene nthi na kaende tuwe mawoni make kenda uwinde wa thela tende tukekale nthi ta budget committee ende kekale nthi yambise kuandika report based on committees na isiata aya nake mwene nthi na isiata yupo tukatokoza sindu cio nthetika kwata ni bandu bamwe tika sisia ando mwene nthi we enda nibo nenda ba olwe nibo kwenda bongelo kana nata exactly no kwenda wikwe nikenda withie ende yu amina kuandika report yesu budget committee ni wende yetae mbunge nikenda yoke kusamwani ashimiwa eto mabituka
uko vinda la kwende na kusiwa ngusanisyo mbungeni ya kaunti ya Masako ama ma MCA mayoneka kwa makwata mbau mawalani wa mama serikali indi kwi umundi kusiwa muwo ma MCA onde maoneka kuthuko makwa vamwe Daniel Mwangela Mutongo TV kwa mbungeni ya kaunti ya Masako.
Munini wa gavana kaunti ya Masako Francis Mwangangi nwavuthise itambia serikali nene ya kuhanesia serikali cia kaunti bilioni 815 vandu va bilioni 860 ile inendekethetwe ni mbunge ya Senate inena nandiki mama uvo Mwangangi ni wasekana wongeleku wa bilioni 28 vandu va bilioni 103 kuma kwa waiwa mwaka muvitu wa bilioni 381 ta munini muno nundu ilovia isu itonithia serikali cia kaunti kuthukumithia mawia ma serikali isu undula vailite Ben Musao na livoti
munini uyo wa gavana weta maundu ala mavata kula kwi mwene nthi na mena uito tamalelu wa vamona masivitali tameungua serikali cia kaunti ayendekethia nusu ya budget ile na asomi weta itha yendie kula kwi serikali ithi
umundi ni naona kana Parliament ya Kenya, Senate na National Assembly nimegana kana serikali cia metiuko inewe bilioni 815 inewe serikali cia metiuko na ningwenda kwasia no matata inde ditu senesa budget ya nthi ni trilioni 4 na bilioni 800 kwa niona mbeza hizi ni mbeza ni pio besa ni pio taeka ibatonekana ni ndiro ndinena nondo siendo ila basic siendo ila sio thenia ene ma Kenya siendo ila sio thenia kamba ni kewo ni hospitali ni malelo ni maundu ma wemi asiendo sio ndesi katika county kwa ni ngukulia serikali nene kwanda ya serikali wa Kenya kwanza under President William Ruto tafadhali nengai devolution kipao mbele out of the 4.2 trillion taeka nusu ya mbesa hizo ni tonoi katika serikali sia metio huko simba sieka we musioke thea enende maito mama sako ni methe ya ndawa hospitali nondo ila kutendawa ni serikali nene ya to nengia to pesa to ini ila ti uleo tema malelo serikali nene ndina ete mbesa sia uko na uyozo ila ti ulea kumunenga mbeu tukaleo munenga siendo ila mwewa si muthenia na siele tonenga na county nondo watu pesa to nini tulato nenga ni serikali nene kwa no matata inde neona mavaluka mutiani na mavaluka mutiani makwila bandu ba ukela ndwe mezela ungua ndwe kwa at least chathuka na muno 2 trillion siele tonewa serikali sia metiuko nikana withi sindu ila basic sio thenia mwene ndi wa Kenya nitwaendelea nacio
uneni wa Mwangangi ukaitina wa komiti ya vamwe ya Senate na ile mbunge nene kuitikila na serikali sia kaunti sionthe si miongo ina na muonza ivathi wa shilingi bilioni 815 ndini wa mwaka wa serikali wa ngili miongo ina 5 ngili na miongo ina 6 na yuva la mutalatala we ukati wa kuvikwa mbunge ni siele ila ya katina ya Senate ni kana kunena niwa.
We have been consulting amongst ourselves as members of the mediation team both from National Assembly and the Senate, and I would like to report that we have made some very, very good progress. That I would like to say that we now have a figure which we would like members to formally engage on, and the figure is 415 billion.
Honorable members, as you are aware, we stopped yesterday at saying we will have to consult away from the cameras. There's been consultation behind the scenes, and it has dawned on the Senate that, at 4:15, beyond that, it appeared to us like we are trying to milk a storm. And finally, we have come to an agreement that we will settle the mediation at 415 billion.
Vilingi wa Mavomo Tongo TV kumava kauntini ya Masako. Nyenita wa Ben Mosao.
MCA Mosakwe ungu wa chama cha UDA matongolo ya umeloni wasua Julius Munyoki ni wenda tongoi ilipetani ya ukamba kuitikila maondo onde makonete maindeyo kuma kwi serikali ya katena muno itambia ya konya icholovia kwi makundi la iungu wa munini wa president ola ni Kithure Kindiki ainena na ndikimama ovo Munyoki no isekana no nginya serikali sionde ivo ya kate na ilasi ya mutiuko ikanewa mwanya wa kuthukuma mwene nthi vate kusia maindeyo kana matambia onde ala makonete enenthi ingi ni wakania atongoi yulu wa mivaka ya siama sia kiutiti kuvingisa wendi wa mwene nthi haimenda atongoi kunena na wasia umwe ngalikone ya maindeyo Boni Motesia ni mwandiki wa Mauvo.
Nikisema yesa kwenu iko makosa.
Ivindane munini wa president atongoenge serikali ya Kenya kwanza manena uthiuka icio siki wathukanyo kumana makundi maenenthi Julius Munyoki awatakana nonginya tongo mavete uteti maundu netaya atyo ukwatana vamwe wigitheka na enenthi onthene matetheka
tambe itie siasa ote wona Kindiki matongolo ndokite siasani okite kunengane kana kutethecia mwaito ino ni women empowerment na okite utethecia other stakeholders ithiombe ajumbe ithiombe ndukasie wewa maendeleo chapchapu ndukasie wewa Wiper wewa ba maendeleo mayesi wewa chama kiba ukaini kenda tutethie andu maitu
vayo lotana kwetakana nonginya tongela meivila ni kati wa serikali nene la kaunti nonginya manewe mwanya wa thukuma mwene nthi
teke ukilia nongo ya siasa tebwa tekatini siengi oniosu wona governor wa Bima ekaona siasa ona musumbe wa Masako ulokwete 15%. Wona Musumbe Ruto, ndukone Ruto, kana ndukone His Excellency the President, ona maendeleo ala ukita namo. Na ona Usumbe no yona 85% ila utiitwa ya national government. Musumbe amasaku eta wabina. Musumbe wa Kena eta wa Ruto. Tenengei andu asweli mwana mathokome. Na wa makonzi yangu ndi niendo kwatabia ndwe bahati. Wakonzia Musumbe Ruto ngundi either wese kana ndwe bahati. Wakonzia governor wabina ngundi either wese ndwe bahati. Niki nundo ina andu siele ni mama kuete. Ke makila kimbua nichoke dhaidhawa.
Ingi kule nende kuona watu wa maendeleo na kudhocha President William Ruto kutonya eleisioni siya ukamba kwende naete maendeleo kwe mwenende.
Lelo wa ndonyo ndwakwa ni mondongi eka Musumbe. Kia ocha ndonyo kia kwa ni mondongi eka Musumbe. Lelo wa Nimrod kuma ndonyo ngina kuya yolo Kangunda Road ndwakwa ni mondongi eka Musumbe. Nindu nenga ni lelo wa kuma kaba nginatala kwesela kenyui weki welami usune Musumbe na ni mukule nywa ndemo thano la tuita na kisukioni nienda kuona andu moke kwa winge amwaitu moke toke tuthoche Musumbe ni mutabia ona tene asumbe ni maenda kwinewa na mayiwa Musumbe wekale tene na tene.
Yunde noneni wakene ondekethia watu wa wasi umwe la tongo imeumanda maendeo kuye nendi. Imenda tongo ikuye mevakayo ya kiuteti ute na kwamba usembe njana mondola matonya utethia mwenendi ulane mukuni wakura.
Nienda tunene na wasi umwe na tuyia siasa ute tika politicize maundwala mokite na nundu maendeo mayese chama mayese wewa kabila iba ndono ni metropolitan Tala ni almost ni metropolitan na tuenda maendeleo nikienda siana sito itone na ito titotha kuendea tutie muno na twateta mbesa sie inauma matongolo na ikathi lakini nisiokie na indi na asiati tikomana kisukioni wa kana iwo deputy president yokoka Kindiki indi nondwa itumi itathukika nitubikie bandu na tuona nondwa ibindala tuenengetwa ni na tiombania certificate sia makundi ma maito nikenda tikabikie kila kikundi ibindala tuenengetwa tuona ni na niyongelilwe na indi tinamba utangasiwa muthenolongi muthenola to ikisukioni
kaundini ya Masaku matungulu nyeni tawaboni mutisia
Twisongana menika na President William Ruto nuthingirire ngwatanio yake na ndongo ya ODM Raila Odinga ya kuseuvya serikali ya vamwe kana broad-based government kuondu wa moeli indi ni kuondu wa usio wa uteti na maendeleo manthino ya Kenya haine na atonge kuma Kisumu State House numatongoye muvyani kuondu wa kukwatilila witikilano wake na Raila Odinga wa kuthukuma vamwe aiweta kuvindua nthi ya Kenya kwenda ndu mawendi musio oingi Ruto nowetie vaiki sio kana mbayo na yiva ikutilwa netina nthini wa serikali yake aiweta muwo ni wavata nthini wa kuendesya nthi Ben Mosao na Livoti.
President William Ruto inena na atongo ikuma kauntini ya Kisumu nthini wa Ombanola watu aiwe vomani ya Musumbe va musini wa Ilovi niwaweta ngwatanio yake na ndongo ya ODM Raila Odinga ya kwitikila na kuthukuma kwa vamwe kwisila serikali ya broad-based ti kuondu wa omeli indi ni kuondu wa usio na uteti ovamwe na maendeleo manthino.
The broad-based government is neither a creation of Baba or myself. It is God-sent. I say that because it is what is necessary for us to have the political goodwill to be able to push the development agenda of our nation, because transformation of a nation is not an easy thing. It is difficult. It takes very difficult decisions to transform a nation. And therefore, you need immense goodwill to be able to drive any meaningful transformation of a nation.
Ruto ni wa matungi ya muvene ndia yani kuondoa kukwatilila witikilano wake na Raila Odinga aiweta kuvindua nthino kwenda ndu mawendi musio.
Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to lead this nation that we all love. Thank you very much for also agreeing to the coming together of both Baba and myself so that we can form the broad-based government, and just so that you have the right context.
Oingi Ruto ni waweta vaikisio na kimweka namba iyo na iva kutilwa na itina nthini wa serikali yake kuo iweta muguo ni wavata mono nthini wa kuendesia nthino.
No Kenyan, no region, no community, no religion is going to be left behind. We're going to move together. Peace and stability is key to the prosperity and development of Kenya. And therefore, we must continuously harness our diversity in a unified manner to be able to take our rightful place as a nation that is growing and developing by making sure that we enhance our patriotism, our working together. And as you know, there are those of us who want to continue the exclusionist agenda that we exclude others. And I have made the decision that no one must be out for anybody to be in. We can all be in. You know, we have enough for all of us as a nation to share. And that is the basis upon which Baba and myself have sat down to form the broad-based government.
Vilingi wa Mavomo Tongo TV nyenita wa Ben Mosau.
Twisongana mbeni kana mobisa mavolisi ni maimiwe kuvingwe ya makwani atete anama aki sia mwenendi. Alama na ikiwe mbini muthinyani wa miatianio kauntini ya Mombasa kavindani kama andamano makusukumi ya aki kuatiania na kikuu cha mwalimu Albert Ojwanga. Kuyanana na mungami wa makwani uvongeni wa Mombasa ni kanafa ilisioni toyoma ofisi ni manene lovi kwa ukuni kilimbiange. Walambeni meimalekilwe na bondi ya silingi ngili 5 mbesa selesele kilomwe. Vala matisisie kudhacha ikwani kuima ofisa ama ipua meiweta kana kukwata ko kuiwote na miyao ana aani Evo Francis Auma wa ikundi ya muuri wali disketi wa Aki Afrika vomena Batuli Swale na Mugambi Gishuge Lina Mosangi na ile voti
on their defense.
Kavindani kalama hivi kichombewa musili wa makwani kotini kwisuo ana ala ni maofisa kutetea kisi ya mwenenzi kuma makundi ana kivadhukanyoni kuu ya kauntini ya Mombasa. Maina asikati wa kwa ikwani ona imweti na wakwato kuyo kavindani kala miatiani ya kwenda haki ya oneke kui musi wa motuti Albert Ojwanga naende. Undumana kumwenda munini wa Inspector General Kwiki Wambini.
No charges or no charge sheet was presented before court. The Office of the Director of Public Prosecution had not received any documents pertaining to this case from Central Police Station, Mombasa. It is our view that the police are not taking this case seriously because the procedure is they ought to have sent these documents to the office of the DPP, and it was for them to make a decision whether they are charging my clients or not. Failure to present these documents to the office of the DPP is an abuse of the office of the National Police Service Act,
Koti ni weleiswe kanana ani manalekiswe na cash bail ya shilingi 5,000 kila umweke seseni cha polisi cha Mombasa Central. Ni wala kwena na mungami wa makwani wa serikali ODPP weleise kana faili ya kesi inetwewe musino ilovi na ukenda kukuni kilombeange.
Nafikiri polisi wataka waijibike kwa sababu jana tupokuwa na OCS Bwana Ombua alituambia wazi kwamba yeye hawezi to make any decision mpaka decision itoke juu, na tulikaa kutoka asubuhi saa 5 mpaka saa 12 na kisha hapo akakubali akasema nitawatoa kwa bond 5,000 kila mtu. Baada ya nusu saa porudi pale akasema no, mambo yamebadilika. Nimepigwa simu kutoka juu, nimeambiwa wasitoke hawapelekwe kotini kesho. Sasa twashangaa OCS ambaye kwa sheria inampa yeye nguvu wa kuamua hizi kesi, mpaka sasa kuna watu fulani huku nje wameambia fanya hivi na hivi.
Ana ama weto kuikiwambini kuota kunotho yetu ni atati pala maweta tamakwitho motha kikiyo kyo aipoa moweta tamana ikiitwa mbini utena miao.
There is everything to do with the politics because the protesters or the four were among a group of Kenyans who wanted to express themselves against the murder of Albert in a police station. This is a continuation of what happened on the 25th of June last year against the finance bill. What we read is that the government is out to muzzle the voices of those who want to speak against atrocities perpetrated by government officials and public officers.
Report ya Vlingi wa Maovo Nelina Mosangi.
Nzama ya mbunge ya wiki wa Masavu kwenye uthukumi himanisioni ya yulu na kiyovundi ya PIC Education and Governance yenda movia wa kulunga mituo na kukitana na ulusani EACC vile Machakos University na kuthoimasi kosi ya ulusani na mituo mithuku ya uthukumi wa Vice Chancellor Mwandu Joyce Agalo zama hii weta wanya watenda kivathukanyo na undu siithitwa inenganwe na kuthukumithio ya kwithitwa vathukanu na meya onayu zama hii weta ni kutambuka masaku kwikia sikalo cia nzama hii kuma ground nthini wa ciumwa ile ciokite. Benjamin Mwaka na ripoti.
Vice Chancellor Agalo no kumbelo ne vinda humu kuelezea nzama hii undu Machakos University ithitwa ithima mamilioni mampesa kwa ivinda miaka mingi oyu kwa kampuni umwa kuna internet wa Kenneth vatena contract mbandikanie nesa kimiao kwianana na mwiko wa Masavu nikana kuma kimanitho ki cha Tweke University devisi ithitwe yivungua wiwano muku wa ivindani la cha kimanitho chake uvundi na mwana kivelo anza mahi muyumbe wa Bumula Jack Wanami wa Mboka weta visi ya Galo ni muthukumi utesa kuikika o yuwiano wake na nuumia mwamulo mituo yake na mavaluku ama uthukumi uvathukumi na mea makunikilo kwa vakuve ni muvea wa kukitana na ulusani wa EACC.
This was a supplier that we inherited from the college. So when it was a TTI.
So you know, a TTI and a university are two different things. I hope you know that.
Yes, yeah.
So those are two different entities.
So it was a service that we continued with.
You know, in law, you can't inherit. Once an institution transits, that's a different institutions by way of liabilities and assets and everything.
Chair, that is why I said in the beginning that this was a service that we carried over. So now when we came in as a university, that is when this other contract was signed.
The accounting officer has contravened section 176(1)L by signing a contract by Kenneth that contravenes section 147 of the Public Procurement and Disposal Act. Henceforth, we are forwarding that matter to investigative agencies, that is EACC and DCI.
Keli vena Masavu mataulikana mawaki wa tuition block kumela contract ya mbeya nenga tuwa mwaka wa 2017 ila ithitwe thiukwanywa o ukitumbo za maeneo kile makule kukonya mawakili nthini wa kandalasi ii na kutuma kinonzo kiendea kwase mamilioni ma mpesa kwisila mauvalu kuma kiutongoi.
Physical verification carried out in December 2022 revealed that there was no ongoing works on site, and in the circumstances, the university did not obtain value for money.
If you know you don't have enough money, why can't you do specific contracts?
And the legal services was not used. I mean, you just agree.
You expose the institution. Sorry, Chairman, are you running this institution as a person of property? Because the way we are getting is that there is no way you can get the legal basis or the formula or the way you are running this institution, Joyce. We therefore order that you give us every document relating to the contract of this project.
Na yusama ya PIC Education and Governance ni aweta nthini wa siumwa ile siukite yithwa yitambo kimanisioni ki cha Machakos University valevanie kuthima muvaluku ama kiutongoi vumwe na mitumile mithuku ya mpesa sionthe kwanzia ya imwe kwa imwe kuma ground Masako.
We may just have to, within the 2 weeks, have to take a day and come and see what's going on. We will do the audit from there. There is clearly more than meets the eye around issues on this institution.
Vilingo wa mauvo kuma vamu sini lovi yenito Benjamin Mwakam.
Voni voto vika mothia wa mauvo maitu kiokone nduka viva sana nundu ngwithu andisi akithia na mauvo alame mathangoni maitu ma umuthi nitwa Beti wa Mwanya.